Hi there, this is Pedal to the Metal. Today we have a 1971 Ford Mustang MACH 1 that is equipped with a Super Cobra Jet engine, 429. It has a ram air. We didn't find any metalwork that is done on the car, so we believe the trunk is original, the quarter panels are original, the fenders, the doors. So yeah, it's all original. The car has low mileage, almost 30,000 miles. It's very rare for a car of 1971. Yeah, let's have a look at the engine bay. What is of course the most beautiful part of this car. 429 engine. It's rebuilt. It has a solid lifter cam. It has aluminum pistons. It has a special crank, special rods. Yeah, it's a really high performance engine that Ford built in 1971. That is very rare because in 71, as you know, most of the cars didn't have any big blocks more. And yeah, this is a real drag race car, a real muscle car, and yeah, it's ready to drive. The 4:11 ratio in the rear. It comes with the dragpack option because of the Super Cobra Jet package. And yeah, it's an amazing car to drive. It drives like new. It brakes very well. It steers very well. It shifts very quick. No rattling. As you can see, it's really fast. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If I missed something, please check out the website. It's www.pttmgarage.com. You will find everything about this car, pictures from underneath, this video of course, and yeah, all the options and the history about this car is there, and of course the price. Thank you for watching.